New Whirlpool dryer? Well, I'm Dustin the Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install a new 4-wire power cord for your Whirlpool dryer. But this also applies to some other great manufactured brands such as Kenmore, Maytag, Amana, and more. It's really simple. I'll show you how to do it, so let's jump in. If you need to purchase a power cord for your Whirlpool dryer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Whether you have moved, are installing a new dryer, or replacing an old power cord, you want to secure a high-quality 3 or 4-wire power cord. Depending on the type of wall outlet you have, you will have to purchase the corresponding cord for your use. If your outlet has 4 connection slots, you will need a 4-wire cord. If your outlet is older, you might have a 3-plug connector and will want to purchase a 3-wire cord. This video will show you how to install a 4-wire power cord for your Whirlpool brand dryer. Tools needed for this installation: a 1/4 inch and 5/16 nut driver or socket, Phillips head screwdriver. Before working on any appliance, please remember to disconnect it from the power. If you need to move your dryer away from the wall, please disconnect the dryer vent hose on the rear of the machine. To install your new power cord, remove the 1/4 inch hex head screw from the top of the terminal cover and set it aside. When attaching the new power cord, it is important that you do not skip the installation of the strain relief clamp. The power supply cord strain relief is crucial to holding the weight of the power cord so the vibrations from the dryer do not cause the connections to the terminal block to become loose. Loose connections can lead to the terminals getting hot, arcing, and melting the terminal block and wires, which can lead to power failure. To install the strain relief, first remove the 2 screws from the strain relief clamp. Put the tabs of the 2 clamp sections into the hole below the terminal block opening so that one tab is pointing up and the other is pointing down. While holding it in place, slightly tighten each strain relief screw just enough to hold the 2 clamp sections together. Next, put the power supply cord through the strain relief. Make sure that the black outer wire insulation on the power cord is inside the strain relief. The strain relief should have a tight fit with the dryer cabinet and be in the horizontal position. Do not fully tighten the strain relief at this time. Do not fully tighten the power cord at this time. Remove the center terminal block screw with a Phillips head screwdriver. Also remove the neutral ground wire ground screw with a 5/16 nut driver or socket. Locate the white neutral wire from the new power supply cord and combine it with the white neutral wire that was held in by the ground screw. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, attach both of them to the center of the terminal block. Locate the green ground wire in the new power supply cable and use the 5/16 hex head screw to attach it to the dryer. Note, you may need to push more of the supply cord through the strain relief to reach where the ground screw attaches. You should only have a black and red wire left on your supply cord. Looking at your terminal block, align the black wire with where the black wire attaches to the terminal block. Repeat the same step for the remaining red wire. Go back and check to make sure that all of your connections are snug. Now that all of the wires are attached to the terminal block, use your Phillips head screwdriver to finish tightening the strain relief on the back of the dryer. It is important that there is no strain on the terminal block because this could cause the connections to become loose, heat up, and damage your dryer. And that's all for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.